Hi, I'm Peter Haddock. I'm here on the Leica Geosystems stand at Hillhead 2024 with Merrill Lynch, one of our great friends of the industry. Merrill, I thought it was fitting here today, we've been talking about safety a lot,
Yes.
to have a safety moment, folks, on the stand here. Lots and lots of people at the show here, very safe show. Sadly, the wider construction industry as a whole, we've lost lives this year. I think it's up to about 9 lives. And the thing is, we know that it's a dangerous place, don't we? So, what is happening with Lynch? Because you're on top of this safety piece, and I want to know what you're doing next.
Of course. Well, as you know, our strategy is to ensure that our people have a safety first mindset when they're working on construction sites. And as part of that, around people plant interface. So with that in mind, what we've now done is we've added an extra feature to our customer portal, which allows customers to view live the number of incidents of people walking into the red zone of a working machine. Now, the reason we've done that is because we want that data to be live so that people can have those conversations around why those numbers are there in the first place. Start a conversation, that's why it's there.
And the good thing about this, folks, is when you have live data, and you're having incursions, something is going on site right then and there that is dangerous. So it could be that a machine is shifted, or the walkway needs to be shifted just a metre to the left or the right. Something has happened and to get people into that red zone. Red zone, folks, is danger zone. Basically, an excavator slewing round in the red zone can hit you, and it can lead to some awful injuries and potential fatalities. So all of that information is going out to every single machine that's fitted with this technology.
Exactly. And it's very accessible as well. So it's not just an online login. Every machine has a QR code on the side, which allows you to, the operator, the works manager, they can put their phone against it and it'll tell you live how many incursions there have been that day. Because one of the things I think in construction that's an issue, and we're doing our best to resolve it as an industry, but data is historic. It's yesterday, it's last week, it's last month. And the problem with that is we can't do anything to change history, but what we can do is we can change today. And if I know at this time, now it's 12:05, that I've had 5 incursions with this machine, this morning, then I can act on that this afternoon. I can speak to that operator. I can say, what's happened this morning? I can speak to the people around that machine. What's happening? What's the activity? So the afternoon, it can be a different story.
Absolutely. And the good thing is, folks, and through the miracle of the internet, we can beam straight now to Lynch headquarters and see the data's coming up with your team are able to actually access that data as well, which is important because, you've got plant that's operated by your own people, and it is, a duty of care for yourself to look after those people as well as the wider community, isn't it?
100%. And I think all we're trying to do here is highlight what's happened, what's there, what's going on. And that's why I wanted to talk to you today, Peter, to tell you that this is an industry first, and it's something that we want to get the conversation going across the industry about what we're going to do about these daily occurrences, because we have to do something.
100%. We can't
have another 9 people in construction.
No. And anybody else that gets injured as well.
Anyone else injured,
Everybody needs to go home safe every night, and I think that's really vital to our sector. And we are here at Hillhead as well. It's a big show for you. You've got some of your equipment here, but also it's an opportunity for you to really have a look at lots of different things, technology and machines as well. So what does it feel like being here at Hillhead?
Yeah, it's amazing, I've got to say, because the industry's really pushing on. I was at JCB earlier, saw their Hydrogen 3CX, which is, it's looking great, and it seems it's close now. I was at Thwaites' stand earlier. They've got a fantastic 3-ton prototype dumper there, which I'm very interested in. And it's great to visit some of the little stands as well, where we're seeing digital play an important part in the future of our industry.
Yep. You score all of it here, folks, every 2 years.
Yes.
It makes an enormous effort.
Yeah.
And people like yourself make the effort to come here.
Yeah.
So great for the safety moment, folks. And Merrill's got to head off to see what next on the list for buying. There's the fleet continues to expand, doesn't it?
Absolutely, 100%. Brilliant.
Cheers,
Thanks a lot, Peter. Cheers.